Hey everybody, so what is a trade secret and how can you use it to protect your innovation? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney, owner here at Bold Patents Law Firm, also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. You can get a copy of that book below in the link for our Bold Inventors Kit. It's got the book itself, as well as a couple other great guides on patent searching and patent application drafting. Let's get to it. So what is a trade secret? Well, I can't tell you. Just kidding. Trade secret is a body of law. It really is governed by each state. So there's really no federal protection, no federal certificate. You don't get a award or registration when you get a trade secret. It is a determination of about three major factors of whether you have information that's valuable to your, say, competitors or to the market, that you're keeping it secret, using the most reasonable economic, technical ways to keep things secret, and it can't be well known in the public, right? But that doesn't mean that other people don't know it. It just can't be readily ascertainable. That's the legal definition. So if you have those three things, you have trade secrets. And I would say that every single company, any company, small mom and pop shop to big, high, Fortune 10, 20 companies, they all have trade secrets. That means you have a way to compete, a way to have a leg up or a competitive edge over your competitor. So how do you use trade secrets to protect your inventions? Well, the truth is, very carefully. The best way to protect inventions, as you probably guessed, is to file and get a patent on it. But trade secrets are generally for those inventions that, even if they were to go get a patent on, they're very tricky to enforce. Some of these can be internal processes or methods, things that might actually tend more toward being an abstract idea and would be difficult to get a patent under the current abstract rules under 101 section. Further, if big companies have lots of ideas, they've got tons of R&D engineers, designers, come up with ideas all the time, they can in a way incubate or sort of harvest their inventions to decide which ideas to move forward with first, depending on their current priorities of the quarter or the year. This can work too on certain inventions or ideas for smaller companies. If you think you've got something important, you can definitely keep it as a trade secret before you're ready. Maybe it's a financial situation, you want to wait to file. Strategically, you may want to work with one of your employees to make sure you have a contract in place to make sure that anything that they come up with, trade secret, inventions, patents, is going to belong to you. That's employment law. So working with a local contract attorney, employment attorney, to make sure you draft those agreements so that they're in compliance with the state laws, that's vital. And that really is what trade secrets comes down to, is it's trusting the people in your company, employees, contractors, and of course owners, to make sure they're all on the same page in terms of what information is valuable, really. And if they're not able to take that to their next job, if they decide to leave, that is the restriction. And so having very careful ties on contracts, exit interviews, and making sure you understand that when misappropriation happens, you identify it. Misappropriation is a fancy term for when you have individuals that take your trade secret and remove it, and take it to another competing institution. You've got to have ways to be able to look for that and detect it. So, hope you understand a little bit more about trade secrets today and how that can help protect innovation. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a great day. Go big, go bold.